Morning, everybody. Hey, we're doing a little adding and subtracting with regrouping today. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Take a minute and just copy these problems down. There's 8 problems. Take as much time as you need, pause it, and come back when you're ready. Okay, let's do a little bit here. All right, you've probably seen some of these before. Hopefully it's review. Now I've mixed in adding and subtracting, so this is the first step. Always do this. Circle whatever you're doing right before you start the problem. I'm not going to go through and circle everything because if I circle it here, by the time I get back to it, I'm going to forget what I was thinking of. So I'm going to circle this. I know I'm going to have to subtract this problem. So I'm going to do 9, take away 4, because I'm going to start in the ones place. I have ones stacked up together. 9 minus 4 is 5. Is that good? What's wrong with that? Yeah, it's a little too big, and it's not in the ones place. Since I'm subtracting the ones, I want to stay in the ones. 9 minus 4 is 5. I want to put the 5 directly below the 9 and the 4, okay? Okay, 1 take away 3. Oh, that's easy, that's 2, right? Wait a minute. If you have 1, you can't take away 3, can you? So you got to be careful. Make sure you don't subtract numbers that aren't there. So I have 1 in the tens place, but I'm trying to take 3 away. I can't do it. I have to go over to this 8, which is in the hundreds, and regroup. So instead of 8 hundreds, now I'm going to have 7. And I'm going to bring 100 over, which is the same as 10 tens, because now I'm in the tens place. So every time you bring it over, you're really bringing 10 over. So I already have 1 there. So 1 plus 10 is 11. So cross that out. I have an 11 there. I have a 7 in the hundreds place. 11 minus 3 is 8. And 7 minus 6 is 1. Got it? Everything's still lined up. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? All right, I'm going to go on. What's the first step? Well, it's not subtraction. This time it's addition, okay? 5 plus 2 is 7. Going to keep it lined up there. 1 plus 8 is 9. 7 plus 4, that's 11. The 1 in the 11 goes here. The 1 in the 10 goes up there, all right? 1 plus 3 is 4. What did I forget? That's right, the comma. 4,197, okay? Back to subtraction, what do I do first? Circle that minus sign because I don't want to miss it, okay? Ooh, 0 minus 5, can you do that? No, you can't do it. And you know what? This is actually going to be one of those special ones. We noticed this, we did this in class. When you have 2 zeros, here's a little trick. You can take the first 0 and the digit next to it. So, in other words, that's a 50 there, right? So if I get rid of the 50, take 1 away from 50. Well, it's going to be 49. So I know that I have 4 here, a 9 here, and I'm bringing 10 over. So I'm always bringing 10 over. I'm going to have a 10 in the ones place, okay? Now I have enough numbers I can regroup. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 3, you got it, it's 1. 2 take away nothing, still 2. Don't forget the comma, okay? So when you have 2 zeros, you can take 1 away and the digit next to it, take 1 less, and you're bringing 10 over. Okay, we'll try it again in a minute. All right, 5 plus 6, because I know I'm going to add here. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 1 goes up to the hundreds place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, comma, comma, comma. 9 plus 2 is 11. And instead of putting the 1 up here, I know there's nothing to add, so I'm going to bring it right down. So this answer, it's in the 10,000s place, even though I'm really adding thousands plus thousands. I have so many thousands, I'd go up 1 place to the 10,000s. Okay? All right. Looks like we're going to subtract here. I'm going to circle that minus sign. 0, take away 2. 2, right guys? No, there's nothing there. I can't subtract that. I'm going to have to go over and regroup. The 6 will become a 5, and this 0 becomes a 10, okay? 10 minus 2 is now 8. 5 minus 7, oh, I can't do that. I have to go over to this 2, the hundreds. Hundreds becomes a 1. I'm bringing 10 over, so now I have 15. 15 take away 7 is also 8. 1 minus 5, got to regroup again. This 4 in the thousands becomes a 3. I'm bringing 10 over. I already had 1 here, so now I have 11. 11 minus 5 is 6, comma, 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 straight down, keeping it organized. 3 minus 1 is 2, 2,688. Okay, back to subtracting again. Gonna circle it so I remember. 0 take away 5, can't do it. And you know, it looks like I'm gonna have to regroup a few times. I have 2 zeros here, so I'm gonna box the 60. What's 60 minus 1? 59, and I'm bringing 10 over, okay? So another way to think about it is, instead of 600, you have 590 plus 10. Well, 590 plus 10 is 600, okay? 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7. And 5 minus 0 is still 5. 525, okay? Ready to go for this one? What's wrong? If I'm adding 325 plus 67, I can't add it like that. So if you have to write these problems, or if you have to write them on your own, you can't put that there. You have to line it up. So now my 1s are with my 1s, my 10s are with my 10s, and my hundreds, okay? Gonna add, gonna circle the plus sign. 5 plus 7 is 12, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is, plus 6 is, 3 plus nothing is still 3. Okay, last one, and you're going to try some on your own. 0 take away 3. 3, right? And don't fall for that. There's nothing there. We got to regroup. I know I'm subtracting. Hey, I have 2 zeros, so I'm actually going to box out this 30, take 1 away and make it a 29. I'm bringing 10 over, and I have 10 here. 10 take away 3 is 7. 9 take away 6 is 3. 2 take away 9. Can't do it. I'm going to go over the 8, make it a 7. I'm bringing 10 over. I already had 2. Now I have 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. And 7 minus, oh, comma, comma, comma. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3,337, okay? Try a little practice, guys. Circle your plus and minus when you start, and double check those regroupings. Catch you later.